And we start in three, two, one. Hello and welcome to the first not live, video episode of Laid Back Leisure. I'm Karan. How are you guys doing? Are you guys doing fine? This is my room, by the way. It's gonna go up on YouTube. I should have cleaned it up. Um, yeah, man. Okay, so if y'all see this, it's a pile of new clothes that I just got from ASOS. Bro, lag gaye, bro, lag gaye. Bro, I bought for I'll tell you what, it was expensive, okay, but quality is good, right? So I was like, okay, long. Instead of your basic t-shirts that you buy from Zara, H&M and all, which will cost you like $1,000 and then it'll last only like 5 months. Instead, these t-shirts are like $1,200, but they last you like a longer time. And right now, bro, मैं Black Friday सेल के टाइम पे मंगाया. कितने का मंगाया पता है? 300-400 रुपए का टी शर्ट मंगाया. Bro, जॉकी के अलावा कहीं नहीं मिलता है. And bro, hands down, right now what I'm wearing, Jockey, Chumeshwari performance by Jockey. I'm serious, dude. If I could become a brand ambassador of one, like the most, like you must genuinely underestimate the amount of Jockey clothing I wear. I'm sorry if my eyes look baggy. Wait, let me turn the lights on. Yeah, it looks better. I'm guessing it looks better. Yeah, my eyes look a little baggy. It's 3:33 a.m. Bro, you know what I got reminded of? I think I was watching Conjuring with one of my friends, and वो 3-7 वाला scene, you all have seen that clock has 3-7. I don't know which movie I think it's Conjuring only. And I remember this incident where my friend and I, wait, should I look here? Should I look here? Yeah, no, yeah. My my friend and I were watching Conjuring. Okay, Vidur, if you watch this, bro, I'm serious. I remember that we were at my house, Xbox खेल रहे थे रात को. We had a sleepover, lit scene. We played a lot of FIFA and shit, and then we watched Conjuring, and the 3-7 scene, and like all the clocks turned to 3-7 because maybe that's the time the kid died or some shit like that it was, and it was 3-7 on my clock when that 3-7 scene came on, and both of us started looking at each other and we were like, bro, bro, nahi hoega. And that time you forget, right? In that moment you forget that like there are people at home. Don't worry, your brother is in the room. Your parents are sleeping. It's not like you live in Lokhandwala. Like which I don't think ghosts roam around Lokhandwala, bro. Like it's too like I would imagine like somewhere like in the depths of Mahi, there are ghosts roaming around or like Chuna Bhatti. Chuna Bhatti. Chembur seems like a place where there are ghosts. And maybe like your Mount Mary. I don't know, Mount Mary Church. Maybe there aren't ghosts there. Is the audio clear? Like I mean I'm sure right now it's way clear because I'm closer to the mic. But I was thinking of getting those mics, those performer mics, like as if I'm giving like a TED talk or some shit like that. Like hi, कैसे हो आप लोग? क्या आप जानते हैं कि आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? Bro, I watched this one. Sorry for the very sad impersonation, but I watched this. What the fuck is happening to my laptop, bro? ऐसा हवा निकाल रहा है ब्रो तुम लोग ऐसा हाई लेवल मतलब as if it's like running like 5 softwares at the same time. I have no idea, bro. It's okay, it's what it is, man. Now what can I do? सस्ता लैपटॉप है यार डेल का I actually like Dell laptop. It's that flipping one, the flip shit, like, and it's touch also, so it's next level. Dude, I ate a sick burger today, by the way, and I just got reminded of that because my stomach is hurting now because it's 3 a.m. and oh, my toe broke. Dude, there's so much I have to tell you all. Idea भी है क्या तुम लोग को? नहीं, you all don't know, right? Like, you all don't know. Let me मैं बताता हूँ. Okay, so I fucking went for football, okay, today, and 10 minutes into the game, only 1 hour, 6 to 7 da. 10 minutes into the game, my toe breaks, okay, and not my toe, like, so the longest toe, like, all the feet fingers are toes, right? Am I right? I'm assuming I am. All the feet fingers are toes, and your longest toe, which would represent the middle finger in comparison, but is not actually the middle finger. Think about it. This is an in-depth conversation that we have to have, okay? Like, I don't want to show my feet right now, or else I would have shown it. In-depth conversation बात करते देख. तेरा index finger है, ठीक है? right? It's next to your thumb, right? That finger's fucked fully. Matlab, like, I don't know how it happened, but 10 minutes into the game that happened. Wait. 10 minutes into the game that happened. And now when you like pull your neck here, like, wait, let me, like here you pull it, and then you just have to like stretch it out to make it okay. I thought it was that, okay, for a second. Fuck yeah, this mic is, who placed this mic here, yaar? It's bothering me, man. कौन है ये गधा? So yeah, that was like, I thought it was that. Okay, I just thought some like shit like twisted for a second and थोड़ा pull करके ठीक हो जाएगा. But that fucking didn't happen, right? I was like, okay, maybe. Then like 30 minutes in the game, I was like, this seems a little like there's something going on here. It seems a little more serious than it should be. Uh, for a fucking pull, right? I opened my like I removed my shoe, I removed the sock, and I was like, okay, fuck, it's broken. Like, imagine this. So it's the longest finger. I don't. Fuck, bro. It's a very confusing thing. It should be like the middle finger because the middle finger is the longest, right? See this, but it's not the middle finger. It's the index finger. Wild shit, but it is what it is, right? And yeah, like it's fucking swollen. Like from this size, suppose it's gone to this much, and that's a lot, right? Like for a fucking toe. I was like, okay, bruv, it do be fucked up. Then somebody told me, bro, it's just pulling, like just pull it, it'll be fine. I was like, mm, I don't think so. Like, I really don't think so. I don't think that's a good idea. I think I'll pass on that. And he's like, no, bro, let me do it. I've done it before. Like, I don't think so. I don't think so. And then he was like, you know what? Let me try it. I was like, ठीक है, I trust you. Not really, but I just want to play for another half an hour really badly. And I know how pissed I would get if someone sat down. 5v5 tha. And in that one person sits. Then you're 4v5. And then the game is fucked, okay? We know that, right? I mean, obviously. Anybody who plays knows that. So I was like, देख, खेलना है मेरे को. Plus, I have a crushing need to be liked. So, and because of my crushing need to be liked, I want to play. So that you all don't, like, not fuck around and not call me the next time. I don't want to go through all that. Right? Logical. So we pulled it, and like ऐसा हो गया ठीक है. And I was like, okay, bro, I guess it's time to go home. And my brother was coming back from the office. I was like, can you pick me up? I'm playing at JPS Janki Devi, if you all know. Bro, उधर auto तो नहीं मिलता है. Like outside the place you don't get autos, right? And I told him, just if you have the car, just pick me up. No, like my foot's broken, my toe's broken. And he was like, I'll take half an hour. तेरे को रुकना है तो रुक. और उधर इतना मच्छर बेंच cars, how many mosquitoes are there, bro? Like, why are there so many mosquitoes, bro? Like, it's not even like two will bite you and then you're like spared. Like, मार के ही जाते हैं. So I was like, okay, bro, I can't sit here. I can't play. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna fucking go home, bro. I'm just going home. So I walked it out and I called my friend and I was talking to her. I was like, I just broke my toe and I'm very sad because I couldn't play and this and that. And then auto में बैठा घर चले गया. And then you know what I hate the most? I don't, and it's not, it's paining, but it's like bearable pain, right? It's not like you got shot or something. It's not that bad, but it's still pain, right? It's not the pain that I'm irritated about. It's the fact that I know I'm gonna face mobility issues tomorrow onwards. Like अभी तो सो जाएगा, ठीक है. कल कुछ करना रहेगा. I want to probably like go like down, get some bread or something, अंडा bread लेके आना है, and I'll realize like, fuck, bro, दर्द हो रहा है. एंड लाइक देन आई रियलाइज लाइक तू जूता पहनने जाएगा तो दुखेगा क्योंकि टो प्रेस होगा. तो जूता नहीं पहन सकते. स्लिपर में अपने पैर तो एनीवे अगली लगते हैं, ठीक है. नाउ जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो, लाइक ऐसे हैंडसम हूँ मैं, समझ रहा है. बट आई डोंट recommend being barefoot myself, right? Fair enough. So yeah, then I was like, I'm gonna face the thing I hate is I'm gonna face fucking mobility issues tomorrow, and I know it. And there are like it's like that things you know that you want to do, and you realize it in the moment that oh shit I can't do it because of my injury, right? And that's what I hate the fucking most. Like about anything, whatever happens in terms of like injury wise, I more than the pain is this. And I know this is gonna take a good 4 3 4 weeks. Like proper, it's broken. So it's gonna take 3 4 weeks. I really want to show all my feet, but I'm not gonna. But yeah, I know it's gonna take some time, and that's gonna be worse. So yeah, that's the fuck all problem, right? Fuck man, क्या करे अभी? Like that's, I don't know. That's something like I feel like it's stupid, man. I've had fractures before in life, like my hand. Oh, I was leaving. I hope you're okay. I'm gonna. Huh. I was like leaving for Penn State, okay, and I was playing football one day, and ऐसा keeping कर रहा था मैं. I mean, पता नहीं, but कर रहा था. So I was keeping, and like I put my like both my hands up, and it was raining, so the ball was slippery, and it smacked my hand, and my hand went like this, right? So my wrist broke, my right wrist, and upon righty hai. And I was leaving to go like study abroad, so I had a lot of bags. Point number one, point number two, I was leaving in 3 days. My mom wasn't here; she was already there. She was gonna meet me there. My dad is the guy who's like बोला था तेरे को कि तेरे तो लगने वाले, तू यही कर, fuck up everything, why did you go play, why are you so dumb, अरे यार ठीक है यार. And that argument I wasn't ready for. So for like 3 days 4 days I hid it from him. And then like my hand was swollen, right? If you have a proper wrist, your wrist breaks your like entire, wait actually, wait this portion became like swollen. So at one point he noticed in like one day before or something, and he was like, "What the fuck happened to your hand?" I was like, "It broke." So he was like, "What? What do you mean? When?" I was like, "Football खेलने गया था. It broke that time." So he was like, "हाँ, सही है, ठीक है. Will you be able to carry your bags?" I was like, "No." Like I knew it. ठीक है अभी देख लेंगे और क्या एयरपोर्ट पे होपफुली यू लाइक फाइंड सम हेल्प एंड दोस कांट्स एट द एयरपोर्ट आल्सो डिडंट हेल्प मी दे लाइक जवान आदमी है कुछ कर ले लाइक दूसरों को मदद चाहिए ठीक है उधर दादी व्हीलचेयर पे आ रही है उसको चलने को नहीं हो रहा है उम्र हो गई है दवाई खा खा के जिंदा रह रही है तेरे को सलाह इधर ऐसा हाथ मुड़ा तू उतने में रो रहा है लाइक ओके मैन they didn't say it but I told you I have a crushing need to be liked and I don't want to bother anybody so I didn't ask for help also and I was just like whining in my miseries while picking up the bag and like I was doing everything slow and people are looking at me like what the fuck is wrong with this guy you know like mass hatred is a thing is a big thing bro not only in India it's everywhere in the world like when you don't realize but it really hurts okay like for anyone who's doing that shit just letting you know that shit hurts okay if you are in a line somebody is like trying to change नहीं मिल रहा है अरे ब्रो गूगल पे नहीं चल रहा है ब्रो उतना ऑलरेडी फ्लस्टर्ड है आदमी तू आवाज और निकालेगा कैसा लगेगा उसको ब्रो don't do that just let him fucking let that person be bro like just it's okay or if you're getting if you reach 3 minutes late anyway nobody's gonna kill you like let that person have 3 minutes of lesser impatience and anxiety and lesser fucking mental stress that you're giving that person let them not have it either bro you don't know what I'm going through do you even know me my hand is broken you don't even know me how can you judge me right that's the point right समझ रहे हो so yeah so then I couldn't write like lift anything up and all and then the biggest problem was you know all that is ठीक है मेरा bag overweight था by like 3 kilos so now I have to shift everything first like they make you sit there they make you shift everything and then they take your bag again and they won't take it you have to go give it so you take pick it up and now there's no like this area there was no trolley so I have to fucking take it this and that and this and that all things considered मेरा I want to kill myself, bro. I'm serious, dude. At that point, I was like, bro, I can't, bro. I can't. I'm reconsidering like my educational choices. And then all that, then in the plane, my thoughts should have been, you know, what I want to do with my life. This is the first time I'm going like abroad, like to study, big deal, blah blah blah. The first thought in my mind when I sat in the plane was, bro, mom to gaand maar degi, bro. She's gonna kill me. Like as if because of my broken wrist I'm going to perform badly academically. That I'm going to do regardless, right? I'm going to perform badly regardless, right? A broken wrist ain't going to change anything, mom. Just letting you know. F तो F ही रहने वाला है, right? 100% में से मतलब जीरो आने ही वाला है जीरो से कुछ कम आ नहीं सकता ठीक है so stress ना ले but yeah all that happened and I mean yeah that's just it that's the story of my broken wrist and that's happened a couple of times So I know now what's gonna happen with this toe. It's gonna piss me off. And I'm gonna rant about it next fucking Friday as well, you assholes. I think you know what? This is crazy. And this one of my friends sent me this meme and it really hit. Why do men start podcasts instead of going to therapy? I'm gonna let that like sink in for a second. Don't get awkward. If you're a dude and you've considered this, don't be shy. Hey, problem hai. I don't know. See, I know that I have issues, and I'm not subconsciously like starting a podcast. I know I'm starting it because I want to rant, but fun rant. Like I think even if I go to therapy, मैं यही सब बात करता bro. And then the doctor would just be like, Karan, you know you've got other issues, right? I'd be like, I know. तू वो सब छोड़. तू सुन लास्ट सैटरडे क्या हुआ. तू लास्ट सैटरडे तू पागल हो जाएगा bro. तू पागल हो जाएगा. तू स्टोरी सुन तो. अरे बैठ तो सही सुनो तो सही. फिर तो पता चलेगा. बढ़िया. I just hit it. The two. Ah, but anyway, it's been 16 and a half minutes, I think, since the podcast is on. I don't know how to fit the intro music and all that. But I swear to God, माँ कसम खा के कह रहा हूँ, I've been waiting all my life to say this. Like, share, subscribe. If I'm guessing this is going to be on YouTube, like, share, subscribe, and fucking tell everybody that I started a YouTube channel, all your friends, and like whatever, right? Do everything. I'm very tech challenged, so I don't know how to promote it. So please do me the favor. If you actually like it, if you actually genuinely enjoyed this, give me some recommendations also. I don't know. I'm bad with figuring it out in general. But yeah, um, let people know if you actually like it. Maybe some idiot like you and me. I know you, whoever is listening. I know you're as stupid as me. ठीक है, तो टेंशन मत ले. और गधे लोग को गैदर करते हैं, बंकस बात करते हैं. लेट्स टॉक गार्बेज एज आई ऑलवेज से एंड लेट्स हैव अ गुड टाइम. ओके. Yeah, anyway, this has been the first video episode of 8 Back Leisure and the fourth, I think, or fifth episode of Shit Talk. I'll figure that out. I'll write it in the description. I don't know, man. I'll figure that shit out. I watch so much YouTube, so much fucking YouTube, and I don't know. Like, this is the first time I'm doing what I see, right? Monkey see, monkey do shit. But monkey do करने जा रहा है, do आता नहीं है ना उसको. उसको do करना है, आता नहीं है. We'll figure it out, man. Anyway, it was nice. It was a great conversation that I've had with you today, and I hope it's with a lot of other people as well. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.